griffin vulture. Allow me to share a story about Genghis. Back in 2005, a young Himalayan griffin vulture was on its migratory route from the Tibetan plateau all the way to Thailand during winter. And during this journey, this bird got lost and it ended up right here in Singapore, in Orchard Road. So the authorities contacted us, we managed to rescue it and nurse it back to the town.
Well, unfortunately, he suffered an injury that prevented him to be released back into the wild. So he's now a special member of our raptor family, and he truly lives up in this name, the mighty Genghis. So let's give a big round of applause to our Himalayan griffin vulture.
Ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on the big screen right now. Take a look at the scene. It's a very chaotic scene. Lots of vultures and other scavengers feeding on a huge carcass, trying to rip it down to bones. Now, to me, this looks like a very disorganized feeding frenzy.
But vultures are social species and they respect a place in the pecking order. When vultures gather, there is a feeding protocol.
So let's meet the very first vultures to the meal, our African white-necked vultures. Now these birds can be found in Africa and they are pretty aggressive feeders. About 100 to 200 African white-necked vultures are capable of stripping down the carcass as large as that one right back there, down to bones within minutes. That's how fast they are. But unfortunately, the African white-necked vultures are critically endangered, not many of them left in the wild.
And the next cause is the ligaments and hide of the animal. Enter is the nearest vulture, the heavyweight from Europe. So unlike other vultures, these birds are solitary except when they mate and have chicks. And they prefer to feed on a carcass in a smaller group. Now our male right back there has a strong gripping feet, sharp talons and a good beak, which helps to rip on the top part of the animal to the chunks of flesh.
There you go. So we do have two more scavengers to show all of you. In these Africans, how possessive they are. Look at that. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to meet our next two birds? Yes or no? Okay, alright, right up there, let's welcome the dinosaur. And right back there. Now we want to meet our lovely American stars. These birds can be found in Africa as well, and they are known to coexist with vultures in the wild. We have two lovely females over here. Now when you take a closer look at the American stock, you will notice that they have dagger-like beaks and a stern ovations. That's why they're also known as the old man stock.
And being a scavenger, we are able to cooperate and coexist well with the vultures, even join them in the feast. Ladies and gentlemen, 11 species of vultures in Africa clean up 70% of the continent's carrier. And we would all be in a lot of trouble without vultures.
That is very true, Shawal. Throughout the world, we are losing these wonderful birds at an alarming rate. Due to various reasons, for example, like deforestation, electrocution, deliberate poisoning, and even superstitious beliefs. Well, conservation efforts will be the only way to save these birds from extinction. In fact, they are already on the brink of extinction. So ladies and gentlemen, let us all show our support for these wonderful birds who have been keeping our environment safe and clean. Let's show our appreciation by giving them a round of applause. There you go.
Well, today you met raptors and scavengers. Well, these kings of the skies and walkers of our earth are a part of our ecosystem, a part of our planet. But if we lose them, we lose a part of our family.
Thank you so much everyone for joining us this morning, and having said that, let us all learn to live in harmony with all predators of wind.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you so much for coming down to our presentation. That allow me to share with you our next program happening right here at Sky Video. Now, if you're keen to watch hornbills, macaws, or even pelicans in action, and perhaps try to pose with the flamingos, well, do head back here for the Wings of the World happening at 12:30 p.m. We're right here at Sky Theatre for the Wings of the World.